Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product, and you can see this is KinCony E24v3 external relay module. And also we have released this new version, that is the E8v3 version. So in this video I will show you these two modules and how it works with a different hardware interface and what functions by the software. Okay, let's look at this hardware interface firstly. Okay, let's look at this is KinCony E24v3 that have 24 channel 16 ampere relay module inside of this box, and it also used by removable relay, OMRON removable relay. So you can see this is the back of this interface, and this terminal also is removable, so you can easily to connect with your one. You can see it's removable. And this is the 24 version. It's very large. And look at this size. And you can see the size. This is the size. And this one. And this one. Okay, because it's too long. This is 24, and let's look at the before version. This is 16 channel version, E16v3. Look at the size. And another version that is 8 channel version, you can see E8v3. So let's look at, okay. So let's look at this size. If I put that here, it's all fit my desk. Okay, this is 8 channel version, 16 channel version, and 24 channel version. And let's look at the interface in details. For example, this is a 24 version that every relay have COM and normal open and normal close. This is normal open and normal close. So you can see every relay will have 4 screws for one relay, so that have 24 relay. And also this is the menu control button, so you can turn on and turn off relay. Later I will connect with the power and show you how it works. And this one you can see that have 24 input. This is external for this menu control button. So this terminal work without software, just connect with this switch directly. So this work with the release coin directly without any software. And this one you can see that have a terminal that is digital input. So this one you can connect with your 12 volt or 24 volt to toggle relay, or you can connect with the ground to toggle relay. So we have designed this V3 new version that the input signal you can choose your different level, high level or low level, or can toggle this relay output. Just this one you can see this is a COM. This is COM. If your COM have connect with the power ground, so every digital input, if you connect with the 12 volt or 24 volt, that will turn on relay. But another side, if you COM have connect with this positive, connect with 12 volt or 24 volt, so every digital input connect with the 0 volt or connect with the ground, the relay will be on. So this is have different directions according to your requirements. This is different in V3 design. So this relay module also have 12 volt or 24 volt 2 version. And you can see this have showed this is 12 version, and another version is 24 version. Just have the different relay inside of this box. Because I can open this this E16, I can remove this cover, and here you can see that is a relay socket. So we have used this removable relay. So this is OMRON removable relay. So the different voltage just according the different relay. For example, you can see this relay have showed 12 volt DC. So this can work with 12 volt power supply. But if you replace this relay with a 24 volt DC, so that can work with a 24 power supply. So this is a different hardware version only used by the different relay version. The hardware PCB is same, just the relay is different. Okay, and next you can see RS485 A and B and the power supply according to your relay version. Maybe you can use for 24 volt or maybe you will use 12 volt. And you can see this is the switch, the 4-bit switch that have 3-bit used for RS485 address. You can set the 1, 2, 3 bit for 8 different address for RS485. And the next you can see the SW. The SW means disable or enable RS485 communication way. So because you can control by relay by this digital input or controlled by this RS485. This have added a new RS485 communication way in V3 design. So this is a 24 version hardware interface. And if you have used a 8 version or 16 version, it's same principle. So just have different channels. You can see this is relay with output, COM, normal open, normal close. And this also have a manual control button, just have 8 channel and RS485 address or SW for enable and disable RS485. And this digital input for this manual control button. And this LED indicate for relay on and off. It will be turn on the light or turn off the light. And the digital input also used by the COM, and this is power and the RS485. Okay, let's power on and test with this 8-channel version, for example. And let's look at, you can see, this is a 12 volt version. So I will connect with a removable circuit. You can see that have RS485 connect with my compute used by USB RS485 adapt. Just let you see, just this one, you can see USB to RS485. And now I will connect with my power supply. Okay, you can see this LED, green LED is on, and this is running, the yellow LED is running. When you power on, you can see this will fast blink. That means in bootload mode. So you can update your ARM CPU firmware during this yellow LED fast blink. And now you can see we can turn on and turn off relay by this manual control button. You can see. So this works without any software. And let's look at these terminal functions. I will use my twist to short. And you can see this is ground, and this is channel 1 and channel 8. Just this terminal is this one. Extend this manual control button. So you can see if I short the ground with my input 1, you can see, and input 2. So this is extend this manual control button without any software. And let's look at here. And this is digital input. You can see this called digital input. This managed by software, and you can connect with the COM. This COM firstly, if you connect with the COM with the ground, let's test it. I will use my one cable and to short. Okay, this is the COM. This is the COM, and if I shut with this ground, you can see I shut with this ground. So now, if I use my twice and shut the 12 volt, to digital input part. Let's look at. If I shut with this one, you can see the relay 8 is on, off, because I have let this come and connect with this ground. Ground is this black. So if I connect this COM with this 12 volt, you can see if I shut at this point, so now I can shut this ground to this 8-channel digital input. You can see if I shut this ground to this 8-channel, you can see this also is on, off, you can see. So that means if you have connected with this COM and with a different voltage, so this digital input can work with a different input signal. Okay, so this is controlled by the input signal and external relay. And let's look at how to connect with RS485 and controlled by PC software. Okay, let's back to my computer, and you can see this is the E8v3 and the E24v3 and E16v3. So you can see we can visit any product web page, and that you will see this different interface in details, and how to connect with your switch panel, and how to connect with the different device outside this box. And you will see this is the PC software. You can download by this link. And also you can see that have RS485 Modbus protocol at here. RS485 Modbus protocol, you can click, so that 8-channel, 16-channel, and 24-channel, and how to read digital input, and how to read the relay state, and how to control relay on and off, all shared in this document. You can download and check by yourself. And after you download this PC software, and you can see this PC software, after you download this file and unzipped, you will see this file. We can click and choose the component of your USB RS485 adapter, and use this bandwidth, the default use this bandwidth, click open. And this is address. This address 123, that means this red, just this one. You can see this is off, 123 is off. So that means this address should in software, this off. So make sure this position is seen as your red switch on your board. So you can see I choose this one, E8, sorry. We can close and choose this board firstly. If you use E8, just choose this one. If you use 16 channel or 24 channel, just choose these right options. You can click open, and now you can see I can click open, turn on relay 1, turn on relay 2, relay 3, and relay 4. And you will see this relay is turned on by RS485 Modbus protocol. And you can turn all off and turn all on. Okay, so this is very easy used by this PC software. And close it. Okay, so this is E-series board for V3 external relay module. If you have any questions, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.